Shiba Inu will reach new heights. The Shiba Inu coin, popularly known as the Dogecoin killer, has been attracting a lot of attention lately. Ever since the cryptocurrency market crash, Elon Musk has been looking for an energy-efficient replacement of Bitcoin, and the Shiba Inu coin has a high chance of replacing it. So what do you think the Shiba Inu price is going to be in the near future? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. Hi Shiba lovers, welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Shiba news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Shiba will cost next week. Please note that we are not financial advisors, and this is solely for educational and entertainment purposes only. Kindly do your own research always. Also guys, we just wanted to take a moment to talk to you about Spark. Spark is a premium Discord community for people that are serious about crypto. They have crypto experts that are really good at finding hidden gems that are actual projects and not some scam or rug pull. Imagine buying Cardano at 20 cents or Dogecoin at 3 cents. Your life would be drastically different. They have tons of members and experts alike to answer your crypto questions or make sure you're investing in the right stuff. And the best part is, the next 50 people get their service 50% off forever. Make sure you go to spark.io, the first link in the description, to sign up before it's too late. Shiba Inu was founded in 2020 by an enigmatic figure known only as Ryoshi. At first appearance, a cryptocurrency with a Shiba Inu dog as its mascot may appear to be a ripoff of Doge, but it is worth investigating more. The goal of SHIB was to establish a cryptocurrency that was completely decentralized and governed by its community. Unlike Doge, which is based on Bitcoin, it is based on Ethereum. There were 394,796 billion SHIB in circulation on June 17, 2021. Shiba Inu coins are 1 quadrillion, a million billion, in number. This means that, at least for the time being, the price of a Shiba Inu coin will remain low. That isn't to say it won't rise at some time, but the sheer amount of the possible supply has a dampening effect on the price. We have the power to surpass the value of Dogecoin exponentially without ever crossing the 1 cent mark, Ryoshi said in the SHIB white paper. Another interesting fact about the number of Shiba Inu coins is that half of the total supply was granted to Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, who burned 90% of them in May 2021, equating to 410 trillion tokens worth $6.7 billion. Buterin also gave 50 trillion coins to the India COVID-19 Crypto Relief Fund in May, valued at roughly $1.2 billion. It was an opportunity to turn the meme bubble into something that may truly do good for people, according to the billionaire. SHIB appears to be planning to launch its own exchange, ShibaSwap. People will also be able to exchange their SHIB for other cryptocurrencies in a decentralized exchange as a result of this. Users can also obtain Shiba's other cryptocurrency, Leash, as well as the soon-to-be-released Bone. ShibaSwap has yet to be given a debut date, while the business claims that ShibaSwap is now undergoing security tests, audits, and final updates to prepare for a secure launch. If this occurs, the price of the Shiba Inu coin may be affected. Another feature of the Shiba Inu coin is that it has a large online following. Given the low price of the Shiba Inu coin and its extremely limited utility, having approximately 30 Facebook groups dedicated to it and a subreddit with 172,000 members is quite impressive. Shiba Inu, dubbed the Dogecoin killer, is one of the newest cryptocurrencies on the rise, but the real question is how Shiba Inu will get to 70 cents. What's the holdup with Coinbase's listing? Shiba Inu has been gaining in successive sessions for the previous few days. This week, the altcoin will be available on Coinbase Pro. However, the token has taken a hit this morning due to some unexpected Shiba Inu cryptocurrency news. Coinbase revealed earlier this week that Shiba Inu, as well as friends CHZ and Keep Network, will be joining its Pro platform. Users were given the option to add their SHIB, Keep, and CHZ to their accounts on Monday. According to the website, the listing was set to begin on June 16th, assuming that the liquidity requirements were met. Although there are some challenges, the Coinbase team was unable to introduce Shiba Inu trading yesterday due to technical issues. The corporation took to Twitter with a brief but vague announcement, to the anger of token enthusiasts. The The website tweeted that we are experiencing technical issues that will temporarily delay the launch of Shiba on Coinbase Pro. At this time, we are disabling deposits of SHIB. Withdrawals are still available. We will provide an updated timeline for restoring deposits and enabling trading as soon as possible. This tweet drew a lot of criticism, with many Shiba army troops expressing their displeasure with the Coinbase announcement. After depositing their SHIB tokens to the Coinbase platform, many Shiba owners have complained that the Shiba Inu coin has been pending for 24 hours. As you can see, the reason for the delay was due to enormous deposits made simultaneously, which forced the Coinbase Pro platform to close down on trading the Shiba Inu tokens, an excitement which was represented by the Shiba army. The initial listing announcement was retweeted by Shiba Inu's official Twitter account, but ever since the downfall, the account is quiet today. Even now, there is no mention of the technical issues nor about what the SHIB developers take on what had happened. As trolled on the internet, Shiba Inu is not merely a meme coin, but it was a coin made as feasible to Doge according to the economic principles. Born a meme, but it is definitely a community that takes this very seriously than Doge. 500 trillion is the current token supply made, which is half of 1 quadrillion, which was supplied initially. But the other half was given to Vitalik Buterin, who promised to hold on to it and not sell it off. Even if half the supply is out, 500 trillion is still a lot of investment, which would require a 7 trillion market cap to reach 70 cents. The idea on burning off the tokens is a very much a live discussion among the developers so as to hit the mark of making 70 cents. Although we are quite not sure if it would happen, it could also go as low as 1 trillion, which can not only catapult the value of the tokens, but also make it effortless to grow from there. To add on, Shiba Inu does have an active development, and there would not have been any discussion on token burn if this wasn't possible. A small set of passionate workers are still on it, actively working and strategizing on the project to yield a more fruitful investment value on the tokens. They actively work on it through the Shiba Inu Discord and Telegram groups so that they can get involved with the community and make sure the community contributes to the development of the token, although there is a core dev team that initiates and also supports the community and the coin on its growth. If the Shiba Inu circulating supply is minimized and gets listed on many more platforms like the Robinhood, we could see the token reaching 70 cents in maybe not in coming months, but in the coming years. Shiba Inu crypto news chatters the previous week's gains. Many investors are wary of Shiba and other yield farming tokens, therefore their position on the trading platform Coinbase is highly controversial. SHIB will be one of the first meme coins to be listed on Coinbase following the success of Dogecoin, which was the result of hundreds of thousands of supporters signing a petition. The negative attitude surrounding the delayed listing is causing SHIB to lose money this morning. Shiba Inu prices have dropped by 9%, and trading volume has dropped by roughly 50%. Coinbase has become regarded as a significant gatekeeper in the crypto realm in recent years, and coins have tended to appreciate in value when they are listed on platforms. Shiba Inu coins increased by more than 30% on Tuesday following the announcement. When asked about whether the Shiba Inu coin was listed on the Coinbase, the spokesperson replied by saying that, "We want to be the Amazon of crypto where people can find and buy the assets they want as part of this. Our aim is to list every legally permissible asset possible." Coinbase stated in its most recent financial report that it was concerned about users migrating to rival platforms. If a currency isn't available on Coinbase, it was immediately listed during the earnings call, and the company has been speeding up the listing process by giving coin producers and users more opportunities to submit for listings. The corporation maintains strict standards for the new coins, according to the company. However, we are confident that based on the information we have access to, that assets available on our platform are appropriate for retail customers, quoted by the spokesperson. Exchanges are expected to become less essential than gatekeepers in the crypto world as their strategies vary and they list more coins. The days when Coinbase adding an asset on its platform was an implied stamp of approval are over, says Matt Hogan, CEO of crypto fund provider Bitwise Asset Management. Therefore, from the above data, it is almost certain that Shiba Inu is going to reach new highs, and if it partners up with Tesla, then the prices are going to skyrocket through the roof. Therefore, people looking for a stable investment with guaranteed returns, Shiba Inu might be where you put your money into. and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin.